Hello everyone, this is our last lesson in this course. I hope now you have some inspiration to create your own family album for you and for your baby to put there all your love. And you're gonna make it by yourself, and you're gonna sign the promise and write something from yourself to make it special and unique. This practice will keep your attention on your baby and his personality, emotions and feelings, because sometimes any of us can forget. Before to say goodbye, I want to mention one thing about the kin that need to be said. We all have parents, and I'm sure while you was watching this course, you reminded your family, your mom and dad, something bad or something good that happened in your life. Think about your relationships again. What makes you proud to have your parents? What hurts you? What have you always wanted but never got? What was the best gift that you took with appreciation and still have it from your parents? Did your parents see how beautiful and special you are? What was the happiest moment with parents? For what you want to say thank you. And if you can do it, please do. Our parents, grandparents, their parents, and for more generations, it is 64 people who met each other in different places of the world, had a story, had kids, had their statements of being and strategies of life, and we have something from them in us. It is not just what we get from mom and dad. They also mix their life experience with their parents' behavior pattern, statements, and ambitions. Maybe some relatives of your kin had some traumas, some terrible stories that happened, or some powerful success stories. And it also have connections with all generations after, and also with you. Knowing that you are not alone, and it's not only about your mom and dad, that somewhere back in time there are a few buses full of different people that loved each other and made families in different times and different places, and they all survived to pass this great value of life forward, to continue life of your family no matter what, to give life to you. And now, for loving memory of people who you have never met, but who gave you a chance to live in this beautiful world, who didn't give up and survived for you, I want you to feel how huge is this. And I want you to pass this great value of being part of your family, part of your kin, to your child. If you found this course interesting and helpful, please pass it to some other parents that you know. Thank you.